Check out 10 can't-miss outdoor activities in Lackawanna County. Montage Mountain Resorts offers thrilling water slides like the Tundra Tornado where adventure awaits. Race down the 8-lane Iceberg Alley Luge, then ride the waves in the pool or relax in the lazy river. PNC Field hosts 70-plus home games for the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders, the AAA affiliate of the New York Yankees. Enjoy bobbleheads, themed game nights, and cheer on NEPA's hometown baseball team. At Lakeland Orchard and Cidery, you can pick your own flowers and fruit seasonally. Enjoy a variety of festivals and take in a scenic 1-mile tour of the orchard on the Lakeland Express. The Trolley Trail in Clark Summit is a local favorite for biking, walking, and running. Tracing the historic Northern Electric Trolley railbed, it features 3 distinct segments to explore. Named Pennsylvania's 2020 River of the Year, the Lackawanna River is perfect for both kayaking adventures and peaceful fly fishing. Whether you're paddling through its waters or casting a line, it's the ideal spot for both. Roba Family Farms is open September to November, offering plenty of chances to pick the perfect pumpkin, enjoy live shows, and race down a slide. Don't miss Jurassic Farm Dino Fest and the Glowing Pumpkin Trail if you dare. Glen Oak Country Club is a private course designed by James Harrison, featuring an 18-hole par 72 layout. Set across 138 acres, the course offers stunning views along its fairways, providing a great challenge for golfers. Leahy Family Fun Park features 2 18-hole mini golf courses, perfect for a friendly challenge. For thrill seekers, zoom around the go-kart track or enjoy some family fun on the bumper boats. The Lake Scranton Walking Trail is a scenic 3.5-mile loop that traces the shore, offering stunning views of the lake. With a mostly flat path, it's ideal for runners and walkers. Spanning over 1,400 acres, Lackawanna State Park is perfect for fishing or kayaking on Lackawanna Lake. With 18 miles of trails for hikers and mountain bikers, plus abundant wildlife, there's plenty to explore. Find even more fun things to see and do in Lackawanna County at discovernepa.com.